Hey there, Trevor here. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to set your iPhone to turn off at a specific time. Now, at a specific time of the day, maybe you want your iPhone to completely shut down, or you just want it so that it's not bothering you and you're not able to use it so that you get some peace and quiet. I'm going to walk you through 3 different options you have to be able to set that up. Now, first, just open up the Settings app on your iPhone, scroll down, tap on Display and Brightness, scroll down again, and tap on Auto Lock midway down. This will automatically lock your phone after a certain period of time of not being used. So if you've opened it up and used it, and you have this set for 30 seconds or a minute, after that amount of time, it will lock the phone. This is one option, but it doesn't fully shut down your phone. There are 2 other options that work a bit better to be able to shut down that phone. I'll walk you through those. Tap the back arrow at the top left, tap the back arrow again, and then scroll down and tap on Screen Time. Tap on Downtime under Limit Usage. If you haven't set up Screen Time, you'll see a prompt that just says Set Up or Start Screen Time, and just tap on that. First, just tap on Downtime. And you can see you can turn on Scheduled. And in this case, I want it every day. And I want to set the time. I can choose 10 p.m. for the start and the end to be 7 a.m. Now it says during downtime, only apps that you choose to allow and phone calls that are available will be available during that time. Now, when we tap the back arrow, I can tap on Always Allowed. And just these apps will be allowed or available. I can always tap the remove button or add new apps on here. And then during those hours, you'll only be able to access those specific apps. You can also set a screen time passcode if you don't want somebody like a child or a teen to mess with these settings. However, there is a third option that will completely turn your phone off. Because again, this limits or restricts the ability to use your iPhone, but it is still turned on. Now, to completely turn it off, take your finger and swipe down. Type in the shortcuts to tap on the Shortcuts app at the top left. And make sure you're on the library section. That's usually where it defaults to. And tap the plus button at the top right. Next, we're going to tap Search Actions, and we're going to type in Shutdown. Tap on Shutdown here. And then at the top, you can see shut down this device. But we need to schedule this for a specific time of the day. To do that, tap the back arrow at the top left. Tap on Automation at the bottom center. And tap on New Automation in blue. Tap on Time of Day. If you don't see that, you can just search for it. And you can choose Time of Day. And in this case, I'm going to choose 10 p.m. And I want to repeat this daily. And I want to set it to run immediately without confirmation. Tap the Next button at the top right. And now tap on the shortcut you just created called Shutdown. And now essentially at 10 p.m. every night, your phone will completely turn off. It will completely power down. And then when you wake up in the morning, you can always just power your phone back on if you would like to do so. I hope this helps. If you enjoyed this video, check out the video over to my right. I think you'll really like that one too. Thanks, guys.